Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust the volume of your TikTok videos. For example, we open TikTok app. Next step, we make a new video. For example, click plus icon at the bottom. Now I record some video for test. Okay, it's my new video. I click this mark. Now at the right we can see volume. Click on it, and here we can see original sound and added sound. We can change volume of sound. Just hold finger in this line and swipe to left or right. And also we can change added sound volume. Just hold and swipe. I don't added some music to this clip, that's why I can change added sound volume. And when we finish, click on this check mark, and of course click on next and post this video. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.